Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 GL Class. This 7-passenger luxury SUV has a great deal of interior space without huge exterior dimensions. The third row seat is roomy enough for all adults and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, heated front seats, CD player. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.